I really don't know why sometimes I want to cry. I really don't know why sometimes I want to cry. I wish to scream and shout and let my feeling out. I'm living like a king, but still I miss something. I have nothing less, but I can't feel happiness. Inside my bones, I'm trapped, and with the skin, I'm wrapped. Within myself, I do hide. I feel no pain or joy inside. My life has come to pass. In silence, my day all pass. My heart has turned to numb. I'm just waiting for end to come. Why no more have? Why no more hopes to persist? My dreams have caused to exist. Why no more paths to follow? My heavy heart is hollow. With emptiness all alone, I feel my tear rolling down. I really don't know why. Something I want to cry. Silence make me cry. Silence make me cry.